We'll guide you through how to make pop-up effect in Alight motion. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, open Alight motion on your device. Once it is ready, press Create New Project to start creating a new project. Set up the project according to your preference by choosing the settings that fit your editing needs. After completing the project setup, select Create Project to enter the editing workspace. Inside the project, press the plus button to add media to the timeline. Browse through your files, select the footage that you want to use, and import it into the timeline. After the footage has been added successfully, select the footage layer to open the small menu containing the available editing options. From the menu, open the Move and Transform section to access the transformation controls for the selected footage. Inside the Move and Transform settings, locate the Scale option. Turn on the keyframe for the Scale option to begin creating the animation. Increase the scale value for the first keyframe so the footage starts at a larger size. Next, move forward a few frames on the timeline and create the second keyframe. Decrease the scale value for the second keyframe. After placing both keyframes, open the graph editor to refine the animation. Inside the graph editor, select the bounce graph from the available graph presets. Once the bounce graph has been selected, choose the second option located on the right side of the graph section. After selecting the graph option, adjust the graph until the movement appears smooth and natural. Continue refining the graph until you are satisfied with the animation. Once the graph has been adjusted, play the preview to see how the pop-up effect looks on your footage. If the movement appears the way you want, then the animation is complete. By following every step in the correct order, you have successfully created a pop-up effect in Alight motion.